Welcome back. This is an Aleks training video on using specific heat capacity to find heat. We saw in a previous lesson that the heat capacity was the amount of heat it took to raise 1 degree of a substance 1 degree Celsius. So that means that its heat capacity, little c, equals the amount of heat in joules or kilojoules per amount of material you have, so divided by the mass in grams, and then also divided by the change in the temperature that substance goes up when you add the heat to it. Because so some substances only go up a little bit when you add a certain amount of heat, and some substances go up a lot because it holds on to heat in a different way. Alright, so they're going to give you some information, but instead of finding heat capacity like we did before, we're simply going to find the amount of heat. So your answer is going to be in joules. If it's a big number, then you'll answer in kilojoules. And so I think this is straightforward and simple. So let's find out what we have. First of all, I know that this C is in joules, is in grams, and is in kelvins. Okay. Now Celsius and Kelvin are the same, not the same thing. Kelvin just goes all the way to 0. 0 Kelvin is just negative 273 on Celsius scale, but it's still the same width of a degree. The amount of heat per degree is the same. So I can simply just jump from Celsius to Kelvin. That's fine. We need to find out how far this is apart. It's going from under 0 to above 0. So how much under 0 is it? It's 0.6. How much above 0 is it? 17.1. So add those two units together because it has to go up to 0 and then further past 0. So this is 17.7. So this is 17.7. I'll just say Kelvin because I can jump straight to Kelvin. Because the difference is I need this to be in joule, or this to be in grams. So kilograms is 1,000 grams. So I need to multiply by 1,000. Move the decimal 3 places. Is that all? Yep, that's it. That's all I'm going to need. So I know C. I'm given C. Okay, so C is going to be 0.235 joules per gram Kelvin. Q is what I'm trying to find in joules or kilojoules. Your mass is going to be 1900, and your amount of temperature change is 17.7. Okay, so I'm going to solve for Q. I have to take the 0.235, multiply it by 1900. I also multiply it by 17.7. Okay, I get 7903.05. Okay, well, joules, it's going to be 7,903.05. Kilojoules would be 7.903. I think kilojoules is probably the better unit to use. Okay, because of the amount. So I need to know how many significant digits I've got. I've got 3 here. Okay. I've got, let's see, this is 3. I have 3 here. 3 here. 3 here. Okay, so that means I need 3 at the total. Sorry, I got distracted. It'll be in kilojoules, it'll be 7.90 because I need 3. It's in kilojoules, and that's my heat capacity. Okay. All right, thank you.